on. Where are the bunnies?
Hiding in the red.
They're hiding in the red. You want to help? Oh, you can do it. Just pull it up. I'm going to get this out of the way. That's okay. Now just pull it up. What do you need to do? What's in the way? That's in the way. So you can pull it up like that. And then you can close the door. Oh, did you hurt yourself?
Oh, see.
You want to see your owie?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, look. You want to see the bunnies?
Yeah.
Okay. How do we open the door? Do I look?
Mhm.
How do you open the door?
How to open the door?
How do you open it up? You know how to do it.
Mhm.